welcome back to my little country kitchen. Today I'm going to show you 3 super simple marinades that you can use on salmon. For the Italian style marinade, simply pop 2 tablespoons of oil from a jar of sun-dried tomatoes into a small bowl. Add a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of dried oregano, and mix together well. Place the salmon fillet into a Ziploc bag, preferably a reusable silicone one like this. Pour in the marinade on top and seal shut. Then gently massage the salmon to coat fully in all those lovely flavours. Now for the lemon pepper marinade, you're going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the zest from half a lemon, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Finally, squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice and use the marinade as before. So for this marinade, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 inch of fresh ginger grated, 1 clove of fresh garlic, 1 teaspoon of your favourite hot sauce, and the juice of half a lime. When you're using lemon or lime juice in a salmon marinade, be aware that if you leave it on the fish for more than about 20 minutes, the acid in the fruit will kind of cook the fish and it will actually turn into ceviche. Very delicious, but not what we're after here. And the most important ingredient for all these recipes is, of course, the salmon. Now, if you choose wild Alaska salmon fillets for your next barbecue, you can find it in all major supermarkets here in the UK, either chilled or frozen. Now, if you choose the latter, you can let the fillets defrost in the bag along with the marinades, or if you fancy cooking any of these recipes in the oven instead of the barbecue, the fillets can be cooked directly from frozen. So if you're ready to up-level your barbecue skills, then I hope that you give these 3 simple recipes a go. Once again, huge thanks to Alaska Seafood for inspiring my delicious lunch, and I'm going to catch up with you guys in the next one. Take care.